In next less than 4 minutes, you will learn how to downgrade your Mac operating system from macOS Sonoma to macOS Ventura. Hello friends and welcome back to MZ Learning. Friends, macOS Sonoma is the next major release of macOS, and it's packed with new features that will make your Mac more powerful, more productive, and more fun to use. But if for any reason you think this system isn't right for you, you have the option to revert back. You can revert back from macOS Sonoma to macOS Ventura or Monterey by following 3 easy steps. Before we start, make sure to back up all new files or photos you have added since upgrading. The reason for making a backup is that, during the downgrade process, you will completely wipe your hard drive. So if there is anything you don't want to lose, make sure you have a copy of it. For a seamless downgrade process, it's a good idea to first turn off Find My Mac and sign out of your Apple ID account. After you have successfully backed up your data and logged out of your Apple ID, the next step would be to download the macOS Ventura installer. For that, I am providing you with the link to Apple's official support website. Once you reach the page, simply click on the macOS Ventura download link and you will be redirected to the App Store. From there, just click on Get to download macOS Ventura. After the download has been completed, the macOS Monterey installer will automatically launch. Once the window appears, press Command+Q on your keyboard to quit the installer and go to the next step. In step 2, we will prepare our USB drive to make it bootable. To do this, plug in your USB drive to your Mac. Make sure you have a USB drive with at least 16 GB of storage space. If you have any important data on your USB drive, make sure to back it up before you start, because this process will erase your USB drive. Now open your Disk Utility app. You can open the Disk Utility app by pressing Command and Spacebar, typing Disk Utility, and pressing Enter. The Disk Utility app is located in the Utilities folder of your Applications folder. When it opens, go to the View menu and select Show All Devices. Now in the left sidebar, select the top level of your USB drive and click on Erase button. In the Name field, type a name for the USB flash drive. In the Format drop-down menu, select macOS Extended Journaled. And in the Scheme drop-down menu, select GUID Partition Map. Everything is OK, now hit the Erase button. After erasing, close the Disk Utility app. Now open the Terminal app. In Terminal, enter the following command. You can also copy this command from the video description and paste it into your Terminal app. If your USB name is different from mine, then replace Ventura with the name of your USB drive. Hit the Enter key. Type your admin password and hit the Enter key. Now press Y and hit the Enter key, and that's all. The terminal will begin creating the bootable USB drive. This process may take several minutes to complete. Once the process is complete, you will receive a message. Install media is now available. Now close the terminal. Our USB drive is ready to install macOS Ventura on our Mac. But, if you use an Intel Mac with an Apple T2 security chip, the default startup security settings will prevent you from booting via removable media. To enable that, restart your Mac. As soon as you hear the startup sound, immediately hold the Command and Alt keys together. On the menu bar, click on Utilities, and choose Startup Security Utility. Click on Enter macOS Password. Enter your administrator password, and hit the Enter key. Activate the radio button next to allow booting from external or removable media. Quit the startup security, and restart your Mac. As soon as you hear the startup sound, immediately hold the Power key on the Apple Silicon Mac and the Option key on the Intel Mac. Select the bootable USB drive from Boot Picker screen and hit the Enter key. The USB installer will start to load. Make sure you are connected to the internet during this process. Now select Disk Utility and click on Continue. In Disk Utility, select your hard drive, which mostly pops up as Macintosh HD, and click on Erase. Make sure APFS is selected here. Everything is OK, let's erase the hard drive. After that, close the disk utility. Now select Install macOS Ventura and click on the Continue button. Follow the on-screen instructions. During this process, your computer may restart several times, which is normal. So please don't worry. The entire process is automatic and requires no action on your side. This process can take 30 to 40 minutes, it depends on your hardware configuration. So be patient. So friends, this is how you can downgrade from macOS Sonoma to macOS Ventura. For more Mac-related videos, please subscribe MZ Learning. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.